Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create a shortcut, or to be specific, a desktop shortcut for your Minecraft application or game. The first thing I want you to do right now is check the specifications on your device. If you're using a MacBook or Windows, basically check the specifications if you're required or you're hit the limit of the requirement. To check that one, type on your search bar dxdiag. Let me just type that one right there. That was going to be a command. So keep on clicking yes, and you're gonna see this one. So this is gonna be the requirement, or this is gonna be your PC requirements or specifications. Now, to be forward for this one, again, type in run on your search bar. Now, once you're in here, I'm gonna type in shell, colon, apps and folder, that's gonna be it. Click on OK, and this will pop up, an application folder. So everything inside your computer should be here. The only thing we need to do right now is look for Minecraft, and there we have it. So with this one, simply click on right click and simply click on create a shortcut. Click on that one, or you can just basically hold it and drag it outside for that one. And there we have it. By the way guys, a bonus information, you can rename this one, for example, sample, title. You can rename this one, and then guys, you can also change the image for this one. But I'm gonna tell you how to do that one on a separate video. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.